everyone, let's learn few sentences from Konkani. Konkani is spoken in the Konkan region. Konkani is also the official language of the state of Goa. I am from Konkan region. Namaskaru, namaste. Tumi kashi asachi? How are you? How bari asa? I am fine. Tumka मेळून खुशी जली. Nice to meet you. Makabi. Me too. आज योगा केल्वे? Did you do yoga today? हाँ केला. Yes, I did. तुमकी इंग्लिश उलयचा येतवे? Do you speak English? मक अर्थ जातना. I don't understand. मका कोंकणी कळना. I don't know कोंकणी. क्षमा करी. Excuse me. मका सहाय करतवे? Will you help me? Why? नाही. Yes or no? धन्यवाद. Thank you. तुमका स्वागतम. You're welcome. वचून येता. Goodbye. देव बरे करू. God bless you. It's so overwhelming to speak the language you grew up listening to from the surroundings. Thank you.